Hi everyone, Karel here, co-founder at FundRequest. Today we've announced our partnership with Trust, which is an Ethereum wallet that can securely store ERC20 tokens. We've met Victor in December of last year back in San Francisco, and today we would like to showcase you what we have been working on. So let's have a look. So let's start by creating a new issue in our repository, Area 51, where basically that's our testing ground. Let's see, Trust Wallet partner demo, something like that. Voila. So we've created a new issue. As you can see, I also don't have MetaMask enabled in the browser. So now let's go to the platform. So this is still, of course, a work in progress. I'm not logged in, and also here you can see I'm not using a dApp browser or MetaMask enabled. If you go to the request, of course, the new issue has not been funded, so it's not visible in the table as well. Now that the issue is created, we can open the Trust wallet. Let's switch to mobile. Here you see a list of the different transactions, and if you go to settings, you can see we're on the Robston test network, and we of course have a wallet address. The wallet also immediately shows you the tokens that are on your wallet. As you can see, we have some test FND and some test Ether to pay for the transactions. The cool thing about Trust is it also has a dApp browser, so if we use that to serve to our dev platform at the moment, dev.fundrequest.io. In the meantime, we will look up the GitHub issue we just created, copy the link. That's Trust Wallet partner demo. Voila. So in the meantime, on the platform, you can see that this time we are connected. That's because of the dApp browser functionality. So now we can create a new request, paste, and let's fund it with, I don't know, 300 FND. Once we hit the add button, we can immediately confirm the transaction or modify the gas price or the gas limit if we like to. When you click approve, the transaction is being sent. You can immediately follow it up on Etherscan, and once the transaction is verified, then the issue will be funded. In the meantime, let's go back to the application and look at the issue detail. Here, Trust Wallet partner demo. And we can already see that it's now funded for 300 FND. And if we go back to the transaction overview, we see that our account has been credited with 300 FND. And back to the desktop version, the issue has already been updated. As you can see, 300 FND has been funded. So now we used the dApp browser to fund an issue, but we can also use a normal desktop browser. And for that, we will scan a QR code. So let's fund the issue again, and as you can see, the Trust Wallet is default selected since we don't have MetaMask available in our browser. So let's fund an extra 100 FND. The QR code is generated based on the amount you want to fund. So once you've filled in the amount, the QR code is ready, and we can switch to the Trust Wallet again. There in the transactions, you just create a new transaction pressing send. You scan the QR code, and that will immediately perform the right contract call. You just have to fill in 0 at, and again here you can modify the gas limit or the gas price depending if you want to have the transaction quickly acknowledged or not. Once the transaction is sent, again, we have to wait until it is verified before the issue is really funded. So as you can see, it's verified. 100 FND has been deducted from our wallet. And if we now, well, let's use the dApp browser here. If we go and check the issue, if all went fine, normally we should have 400 FND now on the issue. Requests. Go to the detail, and as you can see, 400 FND is the total funding of that request. Back to the desktop. If we then, let's refresh the page. Also here 400 ND is of course available. And if we go and check the GitHub issue, then we will see that a comment has been made for the two times we funded, once for the 300 and once for the 100 FND. That's it for our demo integration with Trust Wallet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to stay up to date with the project. Please subscribe to our blog, which is blog.fundrequest.io. And thank you for watching.